The space race. Once a competition between nations vying for cosmic superiority, it's now one between billionaires. Specifically these three: Elon Musk, Richard Branson, and Jeff Bezos. Soon, Richard Branson will ride into suborbit inside the VSS Unity, Virgin Galactic's rocket plane. And just after, Jeff Bezos will do a similar trip in the New Shepard, Blue Origin's newest craft. But Musk and SpaceX have been launching satellites, crew, and supplies into space for years. So who will win? Well, senior space analyst for Teal Group, Marco Caceres, believes one of them already has.
In many ways, Musk has already won it because he has launched countless missions over the last 5 to 6 years. I believe in the last few years he's been launching more than 20 missions to Earth orbit, not suborbit. And I believe he's planning to launch up to 40 missions just this year alone. So in terms of the race to Earth orbit, by far.
He argues that even if Blue Origin's and Virgin Galactic's passenger test flights are a success, it's going to take a while for the space tourism industry to take off. Meanwhile, Musk and SpaceX have their sights set on a much bigger goal: a Martian colony.
Essentially, the goal is to create a dual planet civilization. So the idea is to colonize Mars. Now, that is the most ambitious of all these three ventures. The other two are seeking to focus on space tourism, taking passengers to low Earth orbit for a few minutes of microgravity time, and then taking them back to Earth. So much less ambitious, but important in the sense that they're all contributing in some way to the evolution of the commercial space industry.